Happy Vlogmas! Alright everyone, I hope you are enjoying YouTube Vlogmas. If it's on TikTok or Instagram, Vlogmas is the time of the year where everybody posts every single day. It's one of my favorite times. So I'm pulling up my camera. Trevor has an annual Christmas party that we love, and I am here to take him. And the reason why I'm not doing every single vlog is because we have a huge trip coming up. So I'm gonna bring you along on this trip. But as of right now, if you like me, you have a soft spot for special needs people or senior citizens, come with me and enjoy this wonderful Christmas party. It's all donated. Everything is all about love. So let's go check out the party, and I'll put in some cool Christmas music. This non-for-profit started in 1990, Special Kids Day. It started out, they would host major events, Halloween parties, Christmas parties, and they do something in the spring for special need kids and their families to come out and enjoy a party in the perfect environment that makes them feel comfortable and safe. Is it blue this year? Hi, Heather. Hi. Nice. Thank you. Yay. Thank you.
There you go.
We are located at the Wilder Mansion in Amherst, Illinois. The Park District lets us host our events there. It's a beautiful building. All right, we made it in the inside. Trevor took a beeline to go see Santa, so. All right, so we found Santa Claus, and it's a short line, so we're jumping in automatically. Woo! I think they went with a Frozen theme because I see so many Frozen pictures. The blue this year.
Wow.
This is Trevor's Christmas list.
I mean, you're not letting them miss anything. You're going to be totally prepared.
Santa Claus gonna be like, who do you think you are? Santa Claus like, I ain't reading this. Trevor has his list, all of his Batmobiles, all of his Spidey and Friends, Mickey Mouse, Fun Playhouse, whatever's on that list. All right, then we start making bells. Here's another fun activity. Every year we make a necklace made out of jingle bells. Now we made it to the dance floor, one of Trevor's favorite songs. All right, now he made it to the puzzle section. I love it.
Bow and arrow.
Bow and arrow.
Okay, good. What color?
What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple. All right, purple.
All right, so it's 2 floors. We at the last section. Trevor just ordered a bow and arrow balloon, and then I'm gonna take him out to eat. We could stay longer and dance and different stuff, but I know after a while he'll get bored. So this was awesome, and then also it's gonna get really, really crowded. So we're the first ones here, and that's why I did it. So I am so excited you guys came along with us. Trevor is so happy, and that's kind of what matters at this time. Now the information below of this party, it happens every single year. It's for kids and adults with special needs. Everything's free and donated, and everyone receives a toy and a picture with Santa Claus. It's just a wonderful event, and I'm glad to share it with you all. All right, now that we left the party, we always let Trevor choose a dinner spot, but my mom wanted PF Chang's, so we're gonna let him continue his Christmas celebration over orange chicken, so come on with us. Thank you. All right, we're gonna go with orange chicken.